joy to me. And that also will be a point for our teachers to put in a bit to help our children. Because all we are here to do is to help the children. We're going to have a discussion with the teachers, the scheme that we have for them, so that it will help them also to give their best to our children. I heard our head teacher saying some few things. We've noted them. We're going to work on them. Yeah, we're going to work on them. Also, I think we mentioned some needs for us to attend. Some of them are, you see, the training, the learning equipment stuff. Some of them are not here yet. Yeah, there's another one that has to be here. So we're doing everything possible to give the school a better job. The other thing is to provide a classroom with a modern whiteboard. So they'll use, instead of using this one, which will start immediately from tomorrow. So they will change them for them. It is a bit sad again to see the building we have today, the state of the building. Again, when you look at the way the whole place is started raining, everything started a bit. But if we have a very nice place, I don't think the rain will have stopped us. So we have it in mind. Chairman is there, chairman of that's why we're going to have a discussion on how to progress with this one. It's in plan. There are some few issues we just clear, and then hopefully you'll see action here. Definitely, we'll do something about this building. Yeah, it's an assurance. And to our children, I just want to make it very quick. I'm not reading what I have today. It's sad. It's really sad that I see all the awards. Majority. It's not a bad thing for our girls. Good. It's good. But like our sister said, in fact, it also touched me that if our guys are not coming to, or what they say, let them put it this way, they are not improving. They are not taking education serious. Even in your homes, you're going to have challenges. Because if the girls are doing better, you, the guys, are not doing better. When you marry, you're going to have challenges. That's the truth. It's going to affect the whole thing, and everything we are doing, you begin to have that jealousy against your own sister because they are doing better than you. So we are pleading. Our parents should encourage the boys, not the farm. The farm is good, but I'm telling you again, I've said it several times. The farm is good, but not for these children. It's child labor. It is child labor. It's a crime against the future of that little child. Let us encourage them to go to school. If we need help from them one way or the other, fine. But don't let them stay out of the classroom. And because they are men, they've got muscles, you take them to the farm to work. That's not going to help anybody. Our community will continue to be what it is, or even worse than what we have. So we are pleading with the parents, please, let us encourage our children to come into the classrooms. You see us here? We were not born in the village here. We don't live here. But it is our joy to see our people here to improve so we can compete with the global environment. It's very important. So we are begging the parents. If not, everything we are doing will be wasted. Everything. It won't yield any result. We are pleading with the parents so that they can do something about it. Let the children come to the classroom. The government has given you free education. You have no excuse to keep your children in the house. You have no excuse. So please, let them come in and let them come and learn for the future. I always say that it's your own insurance. When they grow and become better, you will enjoy. I'm not going to enjoy. It is you. So please, let's encourage them to come in. As you can see, we are trying to put in few things to help. And if you will not do your bit, then why are we here? Let us have that beautiful partnership so we can yield the result. And we are urging the community, the traditional rulers, the teachers, and everyone, every stakeholder, to get involved. And we're also using this medium to tell people out there, let's come back home. Everything cannot be in Accra, cannot be in Kumasi, cannot be abroad. Come back home and let's do the little we can to improve our community. Thank you very much.